He's a monster. Can I take a Mommy, let me take a picture of Bear.
Take a picture of sister. She makes the funniest faces.
That's so cute, dude.
She's so your kid.
She's like, dude, I got sugar.
I'm all tacked up on Mountain Dew.
Mommy.
No games. I was trying to get.
No, I was trying to get because the picture on the picture game where you have to get a lot of pictures. I wanted to get a picture of her like that.